Namaskar बच्चों. Our today's lesson is continuing with nutrition in animals. Children, as we have already discussed that nutrition in animals, especially with reference to human beings, involves intake of food and its assimilation and its utilization in the body. So, in the in our previous class and previous video, we had already discussed that how the food is taken up into the mouth and then it passes through the various parts of the alimentary canal, and then the waste is defecated as and when required. So here I will be summarizing this whole part from the point of view of writing your answers. Number one is the parts of alimentary canal. Alimentary canal, you can say it is just a kind of pipe which takes different shapes at different parts of our body. It begins at the mouth and it ends up at the anus. So the first part is the buccal cavity, which is there in your mouth. Then second is the esophagus, which is also known as food pouch, and it is there in the throat or a neck of your body. Then comes the stomach. It is a bag-like structure which is there in the stomach, here in the abdomen. Here, children, we use this term stomach mistakenly for the entire this part of the abdomen, but keep in mind that stomach is only one part of the alimentary canal. It's not the entire abdomen. Next is, children, the small intestine, and then the small intestine has the structure which has microvilli in it, and the role of microvilli here is the role of microvilli is to absorb the digested food. Microvilli increase the surface area. They are finger-like projections on the inner walls of the intestine, small intestine. If you see the small intestine inner lining, you will see it as smooth as any part of our skin. But if you observe it under microscope, you will find it like this. These finger-like projections in the internal wall of the small intestine increase the surface area and therefore increase the absorption of the digested nutrients. Fine, children. Then is the large intestine. Large intestine mainly performs the function of absorption of water. You must have heard sometimes, children, that a person when suffers from diarrhea and your other ailments, the person is suffering from the dehydration. Dehydration simply means loss of water from the body. You see, we get water, a lot of water from the food, and if this water is not reabsorbed in the body, it will be excreted out and we will dehydrate. So in order to preserve the quantity of water in body, the large intestine performs the function of absorption of water from the already digested food. No part of digestion takes place in large intestine, children. It performs only the function of passing out of the waste material. And the last part of the large intestine is rectum, where the feces are stored temporarily till they are defecated. Then the anus, this is the last part of the alimentary canal from where the waste materials excretes out of the body. Then one more important thing over here from the point of view of your exams and questions, that there are several glands which are associated with the digestive system. We need to take care of them and we need to learn them along with the position or their place. Salivary glands you will find in the mouth, or you can also say that buccal cavity. Then comes the liver. You will find it in abdomen. Liver secretes bile juices which help to digest the fats and all. And pancreas, it is again found in the near stomach, in the abdomen area. It secretes many of the digestive juices which help to digest the proteins. Salivary glands secrete hydrochloric acid along with the saliva, and there are a pair of digestive glands over here, salivary glands here, which secrete saliva. Saliva along with the hydrochloric acid performs two functions. Number one, it kills the harmful bacteria which may be present in the food, and second, it start digesting the starch present in our mouth. Starch is broken down into smaller pieces with the help of hydrochloric acid present in the mouth. And rest of the children things we will cover up in our next video. Thank you and have a nice day.